Today we shall discuss about what are the social, economic and religious conditions during the time of later Vedic period. In previous video I will explain about what are the political administration was followed by the Aryans during the time of later Vedic period. Let it in this video I will explain about the social, economic and religious conditions of Aryans at the time of later Vedic period. So first of all, we shall talk about social conditions. What type of social conditions situated in Aryan society during the time of later Vedic period? The first one is 4 division society of Varna system has been found in Aryan society in later Vedic period. What is 4 division society? In this, first one Brahmanas, second one Kshatriyas, third one Vaishyas, and fourth one Shudras. These are the 4 division caste system of the society. Which period? In later Vedic period. We cannot found any type of fourfold caste system during the time of early Vedic period, but it was changed in the time of later Vedic period. In that, the 4 divisions of Varna system or caste system came to existence during the time of later Vedic period. In that, Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, these two are enjoyed in the fourfold caste system. They had a lot of powers in the hierarchical system of the society. What is the main duty of Brahmanas? They gives more respect from the society. Why? Because they were educated. They knows about all Vedas, Vedangas and Hindu philosophy. That's why they gives a much more respect from the society. What is main duty? To condemn the rituals and ceremonies. And what is the main duty of Kshatriyas? Kshatriyas' main duty is to protect the dynasty and the people. Rajyaన్ని రక్షించటం, ప్రజల్ని కాపాడటం. That is the main duty of a Kshatriyas family. And what is the main duty of Vaishyas? To do the agriculture and trade. And what is the position of Shudras of later Vedic period society? These were to serve the above 3 categories. That's why their life like a slavery. వాళ్ళొక బానిసలుగా ఉండేవారు. So this is the caste system of the later Vedic period. This type of caste system should not be found in early Vedic period, but it was came to existence in this time. And also many subcastes also appeared by the నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొఫెషన్స్. వివిధ వృత్తుల నుంచి మనకు చాలా సబ్ క్యాస్టెస్ ఉపకులాలు అనేవి కూడా మనకు రావటం జరిగింది. అండ్ ఆశ్రమ సిస్టమ్ వాజ్ ఆల్సో ఇంట్రడ్యూస్డ్ ఇన్ దిస్ టైమ్. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆశ్రమ సిస్టమ్? ఎ పర్టిక్యులర్ లైఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పర్సన్ in the life of the human beings. And one was the most important activity, that is father's powers has been increased in this time. Father's powers in the family, the father's power has been increased, and the mother's powers has been lost, and it applied to the society. The woman status was decreased. స్త్రీ తన స్థానాన్ని కోల్పోయింది. During the time of early Vedic period, the woman position was equal to the men, but in this time the women lost their power with the compare of men's. That's why the patriarchal system was most popular in this time. పితృస్వామ్య వ్యవస్థ బాగా మనకు డెవలప్ అయింది. సో దట్స్ వై ఐ షల్ మెన్షన్ ఉమెన్ పొజిషన్ వాజ్ decreased. Women's power has been lost. So this is the social conditions of the later Vedic period. And next I will explain about the economic conditions. So what is the economic position of later Vedic period? What type of economic position of the Aryans during the time of later Vedic period? You can observe, I mentioned here some key points. One is agriculture. Agriculture was the chief occupation of the people. It is the main occupation of the people. But we can found in the time of early Vedic period, pastoral, పశు పోషణ వాళ్ళకి మెయిన్ ప్రొఫెషన్గా ఉండేది, అగ్రికల్చర్ అడిషనల్. బట్ హియర్ agriculture was came to existence, it is their main profession. Why? Iron was used extensively. Iron was used much more extensively to cut the trees and cultivated the land and produce the crops. That's why a number of crops were produced by the Aryans, like barley, wheat, rice, etc. This type of crops were produced in huge level, and they were gain a developed activity, that is knowledge of manure is another important development. This is one of the most important economic activity of later Vedic period, that is knowledge of manure. Manure means use of pesticides and fertilizers. When they were cultivating the lands, they were used pesticides and fertilizers. And also industrial activity came to existence. We have no found industrial activity during the time of later Vedic period, but in this time, the time of later Vedic period, the industrial activity was came to existence, like metal works, leather works, and carpentry, pottery type of works, pottery type of goods were produced a huge level. That's why there are two type of trade and commerce were developed. One is internal trade and the second one is foreign trade. Internal and foreign trade came to existence. Why? Here they were gained a industrial activity. They were produced a number of goods in huge level. That's why the internal and external trade and commerce should be developed by the Aryans during the time of later Vedic period. And traders also formed into guilds. Guilds means merchant organizations, merchant unions. The chief of guild is known as Ghanas. This is most important question in the competitive exams level. Guilds is merchants organizations. Who was the chief of guild? Ghana. He was known as Ghana. He was the chief of guild. And they were used some valuable metal made coins. They are Nishka. Nishka is found in early Vedic period. With the Nishka, Shatamana and Krishnala. These two are most important gold and silver coins to exchange of medium of exchange in trade and commerce. This also most important in the competitive examination level. Shatamana and Krishnala is the two gold and silver coins of later Vedic period. So this is information about economic conditions of later Vedic period. Now I shall explain about the religious conditions of later Vedic period. So during the time of later Vedic period, the Indra and Agni type of early Vedic period gods lost their power. They were disappeared. In that place, a new gods and goddesses were came to existence. The Aryan people, the later Vedic Aryan people were worshipped. A new type of god and goddesses during the contemporary period. What they were? One is Prajapati. Prajapati was the god of creator, Srishtikarta. And second one, Vishnu. He was the god of protector. And Rudra, he was the destroyer. Nowadays, we shall call these three types of gods known as Trimurtulu. In Telugu, we shall praise in Trimurtulu. One Prajapati, the creator, Vishnu, the protector, and Rudra, the destroyer. These three Murtis came to existence in the place of Indra and Agni during the time of later Vedic period. And Prardhanas are lost in that so many sacrifices and rituals are came to existence. So many sacrifices were increased during the time of later Vedic period. And priesthood became a profession and hereditary. Priesthood became a profession. Priesthood means purohitud. Became a profession. అది ఒక వృత్తిగా మారింది. అండ్ హెరిడిటరీ, అది వారసత్వంగా కూడా వచ్చింది. దట్స్ వై ద బ్రాహ్మణస్ ఆర్ ఎంజాయిడ్ ఆల్ పవర్స్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. దే వర్ much more respect give from the people or society. The powers of Purohita had been increased. That's why so many social evils are come out of the society. వాటిని వాళ్ళు భరించలేకపోయారు. ఎ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ పీపుల్ షుడ్ నాట్ గెయిన్ ద రూల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వర్ణ సిస్టమ్. దట్స్ వై వన్ రిలీజియస్ మూమెంట్ వాజ్ రైజ్ అగెన్స్ట్ ద priesthood system of the later Vedic period. In that period, two religions are came to existence. One is Buddhism and the second one is Jainism. These two religions are came to existence and against the Hindu philosophy of the later Vedic period. The Upanishads also can against the priesthood sacrifices. So we shall discuss about the social and religious movements in third chapter. So we shall discuss in further units. So this is the religious conditions of the later Vedic Aryans.